Welcome back, folks, to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews and insights. Today, we're diving into the world of motorcycle accessories, and I've got something special for you. The best motorcycle jumper cables on the market, the Emgo 8,496,306 6-feet cycle jumper cable set. Now, why do I say it's the best? Stick around, and I'll walk you through all the reasons why every motorcycle enthusiast needs to have these in their toolkit. First off, let's talk about convenience. These jumper cables are compact, lightweight, and specifically designed for motorcycles, snowmobiles, and even personal watercraft. No more struggling with bulky automotive cables that are just a hassle to store and use. With the Emgo 8,496,306 set, you can easily stash them in your saddlebag or toolkit, ensuring you're always prepared for unexpected battery issues on the road. Safety is paramount when dealing with electrical components, and these cables have got you covered. The insulated, color-coded terminal clamps provide a secure and safe connection every time, giving you peace of mind when jump-starting your ride or helping out a fellow rider in need. Narrator, but wait, there's more. These jumper cables are not just for motorcycles. They're versatile enough to be used with ATVs, quads, and even personal watercraft. So whether you're tearing up the trails or cruising the open water, the Emgo 8,496,306 has got your back. Now, let's talk about quality. These cables are built to last, with heavy-duty construction and high-quality materials. The copper wires are robust, the clamps are sturdy, and the insulation is top-notch. You're getting a premium product that's designed to withstand the rigors of the road. Don't just take my word for it. Customers rave about the durability and performance of these jumper cables. From the high-quality construction to the ease of use, it's clear that the Emgo 8,496,306 is a must-have accessory for any motorcycle enthusiast. So there you have it, folks, the Emgo 8,496,306 6-feet cycle jumper cable set, the best motorcycle jumper cables on the market. Compact, convenient, and built to last, these cables are a game changer for any rider. Don't leave home without them.